when you thought there could not be more change going on in the world, magnetic north is moving. Aviators know it has always moved, but not like this. It's just skipping along. It's on the move about 40 miles a year now along the polar cap toward Russia. It's a natural, unstoppable occurrence, but because of it, some airport runways, calibrated by compass, are now 3 or 4 degrees off. At Tampa International in Florida, they're going to repaint the numbers on the runway and redesignate them because the dead center, top of the world, magnetic north on the compass, is on the move in a big way.
Also consider this. In 2003, NASA released this article and graphic about our shifting North Pole. Coming in, we see that the first change was noticed over a 70-year period here, but in about 70 more years it had moved substantially further, and it took another large jump, but did so in less than 30 years. This was around the time that the BBC reported that Earth's fading magnetic shield was not news to most scientists. When it hit National Geographic in 2004, the cat was out of the bag. We have since learned that the pole is moving faster and the magnetic field fades by day, much more quickly than expected, with weak points and holes appearing as our North Pole races toward Russia at a staggering 40 miles per year, at least when they last checked. In the last 18 months, records have fallen for tornadoes, flooding, drought, tropical storms, heat, cold, noctilucent clouds, and
okay guys, some of you had asked, when exactly could it change? You're probably not going to like the answers to this. There is some uncertainties, some random uncertainties in some of the calculations, but the critical factor was really is when the magnetic pole flips, at what point does it do it? So if we go back to the little compass again and the iridium magnet, if I show you it's pointing at north now, and just back out, slowly. Let me get that north, right. Right, if I show you now, what we're looking at is the 40 degrees, because when it gets to 40 degrees of me turning the magnet slowly, you'll see when it gets to the 40 degrees it just does the flip. So we know that when that magnetic north pole has travelled 40 degrees, it's going to flip. Do it once more. So there it is when it started to move in the 1800s according to the map. It's slowly going over to the 40 degrees and then it flips. So what we needed to do is work out from 2000 to 2001 how far it had travelled.